Guys, what do we have here? We have what? Maybe a period correct 1982 T-top, is it? You got the mud flaps? Oh no, it's Coyote time. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and we're still at Mustang Week, but I have a special one for you here today, guys. We've got a 82 T-top, but more importantly, this is the first time this has ever happened. We have a returning guest on the channel with a different car. Thomas, welcome back to the channel.
What's going on, everybody?
He had that awesome 85, guys, in case you forgot about that. Bleed Forward Blue Fest.
Bleed Forward Blue Fest.
That's where we met, yep. Bleed Forward Blue Fest, we did that. The 85, it was kind of like a custom two-tone at the moment. Yeah, under construction. And also, he did some great dance moves. Remember the pirouettes at the end?
Oh, yeah. That's right.
We were having fun that day. But at the time, I told you guys, his Instagram was T-Top Thomas.
That's right.
Well,
and a lot of you guys started following me, and I appreciate it. I appreciate the love.
Did they? That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Good job, guys. But if you haven't, follow him. I'll put it up here.
T-top_Thomas.
There you go. But look, here it actually is. We talked about it in the video, but you got your car back.
I did. I finally got it back. Shout out to Adam and Hunt's Body Shop.
He's got that awesome T-Bird, right? Coyote Adam?
Yep, Coyote Adam. He is a Coyote swap. I mean, him and Pops just did a phenomenal job on the...
Did they paint it too, or just do the swap?
He did paint it a year and a half ago. He just freshened up the paint. It's the original paint code.
Yeah.
He just freshened it up a little bit. You know? It's just almost 40 years old. So.
Yeah, was that before?
That was before the Coyote swap.
Before the Coyote swap? Yep. Okay. Did he keep it in that shop that whole time, or did...
He did. It was actually, well, it was at his house, you know, in his garage for a while.
Yeah.
And when he opened up a spot in the shop, then he moved it over there and he just got started. So.
Okay. The reason why we're a little bit far back, guys, is it's the music over there is really loud. But anyway, let me give you a quick walk around the car and then we'll talk about it. All right, so there you go, guys. You got a good look at it. Now, Thomas, I know you told us basically going for a little bit more of a sleeper look, right, on this? Kind of period correct, or?
Yeah, kind of period correct. Not so much a sleeper mode.
Okay.
You know, I mean, I still wanted to have that nostalgic look, from back in '82.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously the wheels throw it off a little bit, but
they do. I love the wheels, though, by the way.
I'm a sucker for shoes. I mean, I have shoes that you wear and shoes on a car. So
yeah. I mean, what wheels are these actually?
These are actually Autohans DSO5s. I actually have the exact same model on the 85 that was on the channel.
Okay.
These are just in a bronze color.
A bronze, okay. What are the sizes? Obviously you're bigger in the back. You're 19 in the back? Or?
No, they're 18 all the way around.
Are they really? Okay.
Yep, it just looks bigger. This is 285, 35 in the back.
Okay, that's a lot of meat. That looks good. What do you have in the front? Is it 235?
235. 40s, I believe.
Yeah, I'm still running them tiny 245s in the back, guys.
Oh, no, you need more meat in the back.
I need a lot more. I need a lot more because this is a good fit and it fills up. I got too much gap back here. How long have you had this car though? I forgot to ask you that.
Next month will be almost 2 years. Yep.
2 years, okay. Wasn't it kind of special how you got it or something like that?
Well, when I was 5 years old, I'm giving away my age. When I was 5 years old in 1982, my father was in the military as well, and his lieutenant had to show off his car. He brought it over to the house, he showed it off to my dad, and it was his exact car. And he asked me if I wanted to go for a ride, and I was like, yeah. So it was the first Mustang I ever rode in.
At 5 years old?
At 5 years old. First brand new car I ever rode in, and I said, one day I'm gonna own this car. Almost 2 years ago, I was medically retired out of the military. I needed to take up a lot of time. So I searched and searched and searched, and I found this one.
That exact car or no?
The exact car.
Really?
No,
okay.
Yeah. The exact car.
Yeah,
but
you wanted an 82.
Yes, 82 with the louvers.
Is it original T-top too? Or?
Yes, original T-top. The only thing that's different about the whole car is it's got a 79 pace car hood. I just like the cow look, but not too aggressive.
Right, it's very sleek.
It contours with the car.
And I love the 82 is my favorite 4-eye front end personally.
I believe it's everybody's front end.
Yeah.
Favorite front end.
Yeah.
It has a significant look and you just can't beat that.
Well, and the best part is, as you guys know, he also has an 85. So
yep, I have an 85.
You can do either one that you want.
Yeah. Whatever I'm feeling that day.
Yeah, and so you got this, but this one was taking a long time because you had a lot of work done to it. So the other one was your distraction, as I remember, your 85.
Yep, it was one that kept me busy while this one was down.
Transmission-wise, what are we looking at? What'd you go with?
Currently, right now, it's got a T5 Z-Spec in it.
Z-Spec, okay.
I do have a TKX for it.
Oh, you have a TKX coming?
Yep, the Tremec.
Awesome.
TKX. I decided just to go that route because everybody else has got a T56. T56 or
Yep.
6R80 or 10R80 or whatever.
I'm a guy at T56. So you're right.
Exactly.
You're right.
So I just like to be unique and different.
Yeah.
And,
That's what we like about it.
I did my research, and them guys at Silver Sport Transmission. Shout out to Caleb, Foxcast Media. You know.
Oh yeah, Foxcast definitely. They better know him if they watch my channel.
Yep. I just marked some research, and it'll hold up to the power, and that's exactly what I want.
Okay, awesome. Yeah. So speaking of the power, well, maybe I'm going to tease them. I've already teased them, but let's talk about the interior for a minute. Okay. Did you buy it like this, or did you have the interior?
I bought it just like this.
Wow.
Yeah. The only thing that's changed on the inside besides the shifter for the transmission is the Dakota Digital Cluster.
Okay, you do have the Dakota Digital there. That is very nice. And guys, check out this custom touch. He told me about this. Sinus built, Tom Clark. Put that in there. That is cool. I like that. That's Coyote, right?
Yes. Coyote.
Yeah. How long have you had it back now? I forgot to ask that. Just a few weeks, or
a little over? Well, just a little under 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yep.
What are you running for suspension?
The suspension is the UPR K member for the Coyote spot with the coilovers in the front, Lakewood drag shocks in the front, and then the rear Viking coilovers with strange 10-way adjustable in the rear.
10-way adjustable, nice.
Yep. I have some Maximum Motorsport control arms that I still have to put on. Just had to get down here to Mustang Week.
Yeah, you wanted to make it a Mustang Week.
Yep.
Are you still rocking the 8.8, I guess?
Yeah, it does have an 8.8 in it, 373 gears.
373, okay.
Yep, BBK long tube headers, all the way down to 2.5 inch to Black Widow, Widowmaker 10s.
Oh, those are the mufflers, Black Widowmaker?
Yep.
Okay, I actually haven't heard those before. It's also kind of, is that a little bit more unique?
It is unique.
Okay.
It is, I just like to be different.
Yeah.
It's just me.
Well, that's what I like about you anyway.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
we're going to have to get a start up here in a minute, but I think it draws a little attention. What do you think?
It draws a lot of attention.
Yeah?
I mean, I'm just humbled by the amount of attention that she's gotten over all these other just fantastic,
you know what, though?
cars and builds, man.
It deserves it. It absolutely deserves it. I even like your 85 too.
Yeah.
I'm trying to decide which one I like better. That one's still in progress. And this is your completed vision, basically. Close. Not complete, but close.
Well, I mean, it's still got a couple things.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, it's going to get boost eventually.
Okay.
I'm going to get a Whipple soon. I'm going to beef up the suspension a little bit more. I'm going to put the TKX in. Maybe throw some boost at it.
I think Whipple Supercharger?
Yeah. I'm just I'm biased. You know
what else? They look really good too.
Oh,
the engine bay, I love how that look is.
I think that's why.
Well, speaking of the engine bay, I know all these people want to see it. Let's show the viewers too. Let's pop that back up. Boom. There you go, guys. I did tease it, but that is a Coyote. You got a Coyote now.
It does.
And that matches your shirt?
It does. Shout out to Lou Creative, Harris Lou.
Yes, thank you. Harris is my buddy, so definitely give him a shout out. And also, in case you guys were wondering about his Instagram, I already put it up on the screen, but look, he's got it right here. I like that idea, actually. I might steal that. I might do that for my gearhead.
There you go. And the thing is like, I mean, you're advertising yourself, you know, at shows. I really don't care for stickers on the outside. I tried it, you know, shout out to Foxcast and Brutal and you, and like I tried to advertise on the outside. It just kept throwing me off. My OCD, that little bit of OCD.
Right.
Just throwing off the look. So
well, and see what I could do is I could go on both sides. So you gotta get that idea. I could do YouTube and Instagram.
Yeah, perfect.
That's cool.
Shout out to Scott Rod for the panel.
Super clean look. And why did you go with the Coyote? You told me this off camera, but you were originally gonna go 347 boost, right?
Yep, 347 boosted. That was my original plan. Shout out to Adam again, Coyote. He took me for a ride in his Coyote Swap T-Bird. And it was just the drivability, the reliability of the Coyote motor just surpasses the old school pushrod throw 2. Prove me wrong. You know, I mean, like I can jump in this thing right now and drive to California if I wanted.
Well, and especially for the horsepower level that you're getting.
Oh, absolutely.
I think the only way you can do it in a push rod is you can do it, but it's you get too aggressive when you get that.
You're gonna have a power adder.
Yeah. And then you lose some drivability. So I totally get it. It came out beautiful. Now, you said it was just like a Gen 1 truck motor, or?
It was a Gen 1 F-150 motor that was converted to a Mustang. Pulled out the F-150
Mustang cams. Okay.
Went with the Mustang cams. Right now, it still has the F-150 upper intake on it. I do have a 2020 ported intake. A Gen 3 ported intake that's going on here. Therefore, I won't be able to use the engine cover anymore, but you know, it'll allow more airflow.
Did you do the, there's a very common mod they do, was it oil pump gears? Did you do that on this, or?
Nope, this is oil pump gears.
Is that something, if you go to boost in the future, maybe you'll do it that time? Okay.
Absolutely. When it's Whipple time, you know, everything will be, all the I's will be dotted and T's will be crossed. Okay.
Very cool. You kind of tune situation. You just got the car. You had to get it tuned real fast, so it has just a basic tune on it right now?
Yeah, the Ford control pack comes with a base tune as it is. My tuner in the Michigan area, Lydio, shout out to Alternative Auto Performance, couldn't get me in to get it tuned right away for Mustang Week. So VMP Performance, they shot me a mail order tune, got it to where it was drivable.
Okay.
Still isn't at its full potential. So right now, over there at the hbtuners.com tent. My boy Chris and Tony over there, they're actually writing a tune for this to get it to us.
As we speak. As we speak. And then are you going to go with your guy there as well after that, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, and you're thinking about Whipple and stuff.
Yeah.
So
eventually.
this will get you just, you know, driving around for now and good to go.
Exactly, and that's what I wanted. You know, I wanted to be able to, again, shout out to Adam, wanted to be able to enjoy the NA aspect of all motor, of the Coyote motor, for the rest of the year before I go boost. So
yeah. And so what's going on with the 85 now that you have this? Is it just stay in park for a little while, or?
Well, kind of, sort of.
Yeah, well, you just got this. That's okay. That's okay.
Right. I have some parts where eventually, you know, like I said, it's getting a 3-2-1 Coyote build. Before the actual motor swap happens, I'll start doing all of the other components. You know, building the suspension, the rear end.
Okay. And you did have long tubes on there, you said?
Yes, BBK.
Okay, cool. All right, well, do you think we could fire it up, get a little listen? All right, we're having to do a crank, guys. I like that. It has a very much lower tone to it, actually.
It has a very Coyote specific.
Okay. What'd you say it was, a Black Widow mufflers again?
Yep, Black Widow, Widowmaker 10s.
Widowmaker 10s. Okay, very, very cool. Well, Thomas, I think I need to go for a ride, so I hope you come to Foxtoberfest where we can do that.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Far-fetched, but we'll try to make it.
Yeah, if not, I know we'll get together again eventually and do the full ride. So yeah, this is my guy right here. Well, you're the first one to bring 2 separate cars on the channel.
Thanks for having me, man.
Oh, are you kidding? We love it, and I know my viewers are going to love this car. It's beautiful. I mean, Adam did a great job with it.
Yeah,
so I love it, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna drool over it for the next half an hour.
There you go. I got a ride for you, right?
Okay. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. Guys, so I figured I'd video it. Baby, I think this has to go in. This thing's awesome. Wow. Yeah. Wow. We're doing a feature car on the channel. I guess it's not quite a feature car. I want to redo that. Bloopers. Bloopers, Thomas.
Yeah, bloopers.
Yes, he's back. Because I got a lot more Mustang Week. See, I tried to change it.
Oh, you were almost there.
I was almost there. All right, gonna redo it again. That's gonna do it for this blooper. That's gonna do it for this this day, this hour? I don't know. When I get around Thomas, I'm gonna start calling you tongue-tied Thomas, because I always get tongue-tied around you.
Well, there you go. G-top tongue-tied Thomas.
Oh, say that 3 times fast.
No, I ain't happy. I'm not drunk enough yet.
Oh, that's the beer head. Well, there you go. That's the beer head 704 that you guys are not gonna see tonight.